So I just got out of the gym and coming back, got a package at the front door. If you live in an apartment complex, you know how much it sucks when they leave stuff like this and stuff be getting jacked. And I was gonna do an unboxing or something, but might as well just do this now. So let's just get into it and see what I got. Packing slip. As you can see, it's a Nike box. And here we go. Another unboxing. What is up, family, aka Ohana? It's your boy, and this just came literally right now. Just picked it out, and let's get up in it. Let's see what we got here. The Nike Epic React in the gray and black colorway. Supposed to be Nike's answer to Boost, I guess. It's definitely a thick foam at the bottom. Jeebus. But yeah, if you were on the app last night, they had a whole thing about the world stopped spinning on Instagram and whatnot. And if you followed that, you probably think something was going to drop. Nothing did. It was just a plug for these shoes. I just want them because I needed another shoe just to roam around in. I'm not a big Adidas guy or Ultra Boost. I have one pair of Japan black NMDs, and they're comfortable as ish, no doubt about it. I'm just not Adidas. Sure, eventually I might get a pair of Ultra Boosts. I kind of like those parlay, so I might get those. But I definitely want to check these out, see what these were all about, see how comfortable they were. Obviously, I really can't compare them to Ultra Boost because I don't have any. But from all the reviews I saw, they're very similar. Everyone says these are more for performance than a lifestyle, and Ultra Boosts are better for lifestyle than performance. So I don't know how true that is. Again, I don't have any Ultra Boosts, but I'm really excited about testing this out, seeing what this foam new React technology is all about. And the Flyknit, it's definitely light as ish. So after I wear these down a little bit, maybe I'll bust out another review about how they fit and if they're comfortable or not, and if they are indeed a performance or lifestyle shoe. But yeah, I just wanted to do this real quick because I just got these. So here they are, the Nike Epic React. So until next time, remember to stay grateful, respectful, and humble, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.